So welcome to these stretches that are really going to help your low back and your hips and your pelvis feel a little bit more mobile, listening to your body and just moving as comfortable. So make sure your head is comfortable. I'm going to use a little head block. You're going to have a lie down on your back. And we're going to start off with some pelvic tilts. So just maybe popping your hands on your hips or making a little diamond with your hands. We're going to think about feet and knees hip width apart, and we're going to rock our bottom backwards. So it's as if you're taking your tailbone back, as if you're squashing the small of your back onto the mat so that there's no gap. Then imagine your pelvis and your tailbone is tipping the other way. And I'm going to create this hollow back. So I'm going to tip my pelvis back. I'm just using my hands just so that you can see what my pelvis is doing. And then I'm going to rock forward. So it's like I'm just going backwards and forwards with my pelvis, which is this region of my body. So there's no gap. I'm really squashing my back onto the mat, nothing uncomfortable. And then I'm rocking forwards as if I'm creating this tunnel. And as you're doing this, see if you can try and keep the movement more in the lower part of your body. That your head and your shoulders are keeping as still as you can. You may notice that you find it really challenging to try and get this fluid movement of your pelvis rocking. And with practice, this is going to become a bit easier. You may feel really stiff through this pelvis region. So just rocking forwards and back. And if you're using that diamond shape, you'll be able to feel that diamond tip down. Forwards and back as you're rocking. We're going to do one more. And then we're going to come back to just a rest position. From here, you're going to hug one knee to your chest, allowing that knee to just come as close as you feel comfortable, keeping the other knee bent just to support your spine. Breathing in and out. Just holding for about 5 seconds. We're going to change sides. We're going to just gently hug that knee to your chest. Just concentrating on relaxing that upper body. And down. And again, this time let's see if we can do a 10-second hold. And back down. And then the other side. And then last one, another 10-second hold. Just gently feeling a stretch. And down. And again. And relax down. Now we're going to do a bit of a spine twist. Going to have our arms open, however they're comfortable, maybe a bit straighter, maybe a bit further down. Feet and knees together. We're just going to breathe in, and as we breathe out, taking your knees and hips to the side, only as far as a gentle stretch. We're going to hold, just a pause. We're going to come back as we breathe in. We're going to breathe out, we're going to twist to the other side. We're going to breathe in, and we're going to breathe out. Breathing in, and breathing out. Breathing in, and breathing out. Listening to your body, only going as far as comfortable. Breathing in, breathing out. Now, if you feel comfortable, let's hold that stretch for a little bit longer, and maybe you want to turn your head and neck to the opposite side. So let's hold for a count of 10. Feeling a gentle stretch, maybe in your shoulder, in your back, in your waist. And then breathing in, come back with control, breathing out. Let's hold for a count of 10. I'm going to do one more to each side. So breathing out and in. And then I'm going to go to the other side. And then come back to centre. In your own time, just finishing off. I hope you enjoyed those gentle back stretches.